Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence or just curious about how it all works, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that has revolutionized the way AI models understand and process information. That's right, we're talking about the attention mechanism. So, let's get started. But first, have you ever wondered how AI can focus on the most important parts of a sentence, image, or even a video? What makes it capable of filtering out the noise and honing in on what really matters? Well, that's where attention mechanisms come in. Let's break it down. At its core, the attention mechanism is a technique that allows AI models, particularly those in natural language processing, to weigh the importance of different parts of the input data. Think of it as how we humans pay attention to certain words in a conversation while tuning out the background noise. For instance, suppose you're reading a sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." If I asked you to focus on the action, you'd naturally pay more attention to sat because that's the verb, the main action of the sentence. Similarly, attention mechanisms help models pinpoint which words or elements are most relevant to a particular task. Let's look at the math behind it, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. In an AI model, attention scores are calculated to determine the relevance of each word in a sentence relative to others. These scores are usually derived from a set of learned parameters. The model then uses these scores to create a weighted sum of the input data. This means that when processing the sentence, the model focuses more on certain words that contribute to the meaning while downplaying others. It's like having a spotlight on key information while the rest fades into the background. A great example of this in action is Google Translate. Before attention mechanisms were implemented, translation models would take a fixed-size approach, treating every word equally. This often resulted in awkward translations. But with the introduction of attention, the model can now dynamically focus on relevant words in the source language while translating, leading to much more fluent and accurate sentences. In one study, researchers found that models utilizing attention mechanisms improved translation quality by over 20% compared to those that didn't use this approach. That's a significant leap. Now, let's talk about image processing. In computer vision, attention mechanisms help AI models identify and focus on specific parts of an image. For instance, in an image classification task, an AI might use attention to highlight the cat in a cluttered photo of a living room. This ability to focus on relevant features while ignoring irrelevant background details enhances the model's accuracy. Deep learning architectures, like the popular transformer model, heavily rely on attention mechanisms. Transformers have completely changed the landscape of AI with their ability to handle sequential data, making them the backbone of many state-of-the-art models today, including BERT and GPT. They utilize a multi-head attention mechanism, which means they can attend to different parts of the input simultaneously, gaining a broader understanding of context and meaning. In multi-head attention, the model creates several sets of attention scores and combines them. This allows the model to learn various relationships and dependencies within the data, enriching its understanding. It's like having multiple pairs of eyes focused on different aspects of a problem, all working together to find the best solution. As you can see, attention mechanisms are a game changer in the realm of AI. They enable machines to process information more like humans do, leading to more effective and intelligent models. Whether it's translating languages, recognizing images, or generating text, attention has become a fundamental part of how AI systems work. To wrap it all up, attention mechanisms allow AI models to focus on the most relevant parts of the data, improving their performance in tasks like translation and image recognition. They help bridge the gap between how machines and humans understand information, making AI tools more effective and user-friendly. So, what do you think about attention mechanisms? Can you see how they might change the future of AI? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.